Hello guys, today I'm gonna tell something about me and the cubing. My cubing. Okay, in the video you will see a 3 by 3 yes, average of 5. Uh, it's without finger tricks, and I thought that was pretty nice to try, and I don't know if anyone has really done it before, but yeah. You try it if you want to. It was very nice. Okay, also one thing, very, very, very good. I wanna tell you, my next video, is hopefully gonna be a, Mario Loop review or something like that. But also I'm gonna do a Q&A. So please leave some questions to comments below. Uh, You can leave as many questions as you want. It's just free. But please leave some questions. I wanna answer them in the next. Uh, so yeah, I'm gonna do a Q and A. Okay, but to the me and Cube being beside. Okay, okay, bad. What? Fail. Okay, who I am? I am a boy, 12-year-old, almost 13 though, from Finland, from Oulu city, place, from middle of the Finland. Um, how did I get into cubing? My father is a game like teacher. He teaches how to make, not like make, I don't know, gaming things. Teaching. Okay, he was in the gaming, um, place, what, kind of convention thing, and he brought me a 3 by 3, cause I uh didn't have a haven't had a Rubik's cube uh before, and he just brought me that cause I don't know, I don't know, that was a kind of surprise, but I just got it and I wanted to learn to solve it, and yeah, that's how it began. And it was in September last year, 2013. Um, when I what were my goals then? And when I started, my goals were um like to get sub 1 minute. I didn't really think. I just wanted to be faster. But then I was taking like goals when I was hitting like sub 1 or something. And then I got sub 13, and I thought it would be very cool to try like sub 20. And now I'm also almost sub 20, hopefully in some time. But yeah, that would be very cool. Now, yeah, my goal now is to really get like sub 20 consistently. Is that the right word? I don't know. Because it just popped to my mind. Yeah. What to say? Yeah. And also my goal is to get sub 15, because that would be so cool. Very many people are sub 15, and they solve very nicely, and I think that it's just F2L that really means and makes you fast. I see them do like F2L in like under 10 seconds. Yeah, of course. Like under 8 seconds, and cross in like 2 seconds, and 5 seconds for LL PLL. That's very cool. Okay, my BBs. So 2 by 2, 1.35. I hope it to be like better. Hopefully it's gonna be, cause I want to be like, I want my BB to be sub 1. That would be so cool. Um, Yeah. Okay. 3 by 3 is 11.51, and nobody actually really knows. I have Instagram picture of it, but it's very blurry, and I don't think many people have seen it. Yeah. Sub 6. That 6. What? No. Sub 12. But yeah, I would like to have like 10 single BB, but that's like far away, I think. Yeah, let's like my 4 by 4 is like 1 minute 30 seconds, something like that, but I really don't time myself that much on 4 by 4. Okay, let's get into the next question. My. Oh, sorry, just a second. Yeah. Okay. So my mains. 2 by 2 Fang Shi Shi Shuang. 55 millimeter. I think that's pretty good. I think Diane's better, but with Marulup it's pretty good. It's like Diane. 3 by 3 Mayu Weilong version 1, which you are seeing right now on the screen. And 4 by 4 is Shengshao version 3. I know I want to get like Mayu Osu or Weisu, but yeah, hopefully, because that is really not good. I don't think. But my accomplishments, I haven't really like done too much accomplishments, but I think like 3 by 3 blindfolded I did 3 times. I can do it, but like it's just memory, and yeah, I should just get more practice and all that. But yeah, I'm getting hopefully better. It was like 15 minutes. But yeah, I think that's like reasonable. But yeah, that was about it. I hope to see you in the next video, and yeah, please leave some questions, comments. I really appreciate that, because I'm gonna do a Q&A. Okay. But yeah, bye.